Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you about the structure of petroleum industry. In post-Soviet era, Russian economy undergoing significant transformations. Deep structural changes affected petroleum sector as well. Its core is composed of vertically integrated companies that control the whole route from the well to the gas station. Initially, vertically oriented companies were based on state-owned production associations that included, besides proper production divisions, almost all satellite and auxiliary units, such as drilling contractors, maintenance, and other organizations handling the essential operations, as well as intra-field and inter-field pipelines, oil treatment stations, tank farms, and other surface facilities. Thus, a vertically integrated company is a self-contained system and can be considered a local monopoly which controls the sectoral infrastructure of a certain region and thus can keep competing producers from entering this region. As for global practice, the most common organizational model is the following. There is an operating company authorized to develop certain fields, and this company involves multiple contractors such as drilling companies and service providers that perform such operations as well logging, hydraulic fracturing, and so on. An operating company consists of multiple departments and offices which deal with geology, field development, production technology, finance, and economics. By all means, the operating employs its own drilling engineers and supervisors that are located on site. Their job is to control drilling and service companies. A drilling contractor owns drilling rigs and deploys drilling crews. His job is to drill wells. A service company employs many qualified experts in various aspects of petroleum business that can solve any issues related to well construction, completion, and stimulation. In competitive economy, operators and service companies can find excellent potential for mutual development and profit. An operator needs solutions that would make production more efficient, while a service company has these solutions and makes profit from granting the operated access to them. Together, they can achieve more and make better use of their resources, technologies, and finance. New and advanced models of relationships between operators and the contractors, such as sharing profits and risk costs and collaborative decisions making, make partnerships stronger as both parties become interested in successful, cost-efficient operations. A few words about a career in petroleum business. Why it's so attractive? Every year, our civilization needs more clean, safe, and accessible energy. This drives oil demand, and oil demand drives oil production. Petroleum industry sets ambitious goals, and you can help it in achieving them. If you want to make the world a better place, if you like challenge, if you want an interesting and rewarding job, you might want to consider a career in petroleum business. Why is this career attractive? You get good salary, share of profits, substantial fringe benefits, but that is only part of the answer. Petroleum industry is really multidimensional. It means that almost any talented person can apply his or her talents there. Petroleum industry has a whole arsenal of jobs for chemists, mathematicians, economists, accountants, technicians, geologists, power engineers, lawyers, and many others. Petroleum engineers is one of the most challenging and promising jobs. According to the Society of Petroleum Engineers, to satisfy world's demand for energy, we need 38% more petroleum engineers. It really is the dream career, the one that matches your skills, talents, and ambitions. Petroleum engineers deals with exploration, development, and operation of oil and gas fields. They're innovators applying cutting-edge technologies to develop new, revolutionary methods of finding and producing oil. Petroleum engineers are experts in various fields: drilling engineers, process engineers, reservoir engineers, environmental engineers, consultants, teachers, government relations people, entrepreneurs, and managers. They all serve the same purpose: providing energy for the civilization and preserving the environment for generations to come. Petroleum engineers work both in the office and in the field. Besides, this job often requires traveling all around the homeland and the world. Going there, their talents are needed right now. The demand for new methods, technologies, and energy sources keeps on growing, which means that the demand for petroleum engineers is growing as well. In petroleum industry, starting salaries for university graduates are among the highest. Even an intern can be offered a decent position and lucrative benefits. The world has always needed and will always need energy. Oil and gas are the most important energy source. The job of a petroleum engineer is to find new ways that will help satisfy global energy needs. Petroleum engineers shape our future and change the world. So don't miss your chance for a unique and exciting future. In Russia, petroleum industry is the second in terms of salaries, right after banking business. How much are you going to make? That really depends. Above average, that's for sure. This chart may give you some idea, although particular numbers really depend on the company, region, your experience, etc. For the rest of the world, let's turn to the annual research conducted by the Society of Petroleum Engineers. Thus, according to SPE in 2014, median annual salary in petroleum industry was about $160,000, which is about $13,000 per month. Average annual salary, including bonuses and other benefits, was almost $215,000. What are the keys to a successful career? Among the major factors, people quote good training and hard work. If you are a devoted professional, if you love what you are doing, you are going to succeed in any field. So, if you set your mind on petroleum industry, don't worry, you will make it. Good luck and see you next video.